I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, put the Sonata in park and engage the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. Once done, spray a small amount of lubricant into the key slot so tumblers free up. This reduces binding. Make sure you have a small flat screwdriver and a 3mm punch ready. You'll use the screwdriver to remove the lower trim panel and the punch to depress the retaining pin. These first steps let you access the ignition assembly safely. Now remove the lower dash trim under the steering column, pry at clip locations so you don't crack plastic. Once exposed, locate the ignition retaining pin. You'll see a small hole or slot near the cylinder. Press that pin with the 3mm punch while you turn the key gently toward the accessory position. The pin releases the cylinder. If the key won't rotate, apply a little more lubricant and jiggle the key back and forth while maintaining light outward pull until the cylinder clears. With the retaining pin depressed and the cylinder rotated slightly, pull the ignition cylinder straight out. You should feel it slide free. Once removed, inspect the key for wear and the tumblers for debris. Clean them with contact cleaner and re-lubricate. Reinstall or replace the cylinder and reconnect the battery. If the assembly remains stuck despite the pin depressed, stop. Forcing it risks steering lock damage. At that point, call a locksmith or dealer. This troubleshooting tip prevents costly steering column repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.